what is the other osteo? The other osteo is actually osteoporosis. Osteoporosis, mo na siyang gitawag brittle bones. So if I share with you one bone, unsa man ang osteoporosis, lahi na siya, dili na siya arthritis. Kung naamoy osteo, it could be osteoarthritis or osteoporosis. Now, osteoporosis, osteo means bone, porosis means na ay pores ang bone or brittle bones. So if this is a normal bone, this is actually a representation of the thigh bone or femur. We will look inside the thigh bone and you have normal bone, you see? Muna siyang normal bone. I don't know if you can see this clearly, but what I want you to notice is this here is actually the pores. This is the medullary cavity of the bone, and this is normal bone. And what is osteoporosis? So brittle bones gani muna giingon lang gabok. So easily fractured. Dali ra ma-fracture kay brittle man bone. So again, if this is a normal bone, I will share with you an osteoporotic bone. So it's very different from the normal bone, no? Osteoporotic bone, mas gabok, and you will notice na it has more brittle. Mas gabok siya, mura siya, o gianay. So if you have termites, no, it's unlike this normal bone. So this is bone density. How do you check for osteoporosis? For a lot of orthopedic and radiologists, we can see osteoporosis on x-ray, but the best test is actually a bone mineral density. Lahi ng osteoporosis, lahi sad ang osteoarthritis. Of course, arthritis is in the joint. It can happen in the hip or the knee. These are the more common sites, but pwede sad sa other joints. Osteoporosis, brittle bones, can happen in all the bones in the body, especially in ladies who are menopause na. You can have osteoporosis, brittle na ang bones. That's why we actually give osteoporotic medication when you are elderly. We don't want a fracture, no? So I've said in the last video na naay kuy patient na naay osteoarthritis sa tuhod, but they also fell because of their brittle bones. A ground level fall, nahagbong lang, na-slide lang, nabali ng bukog. So they had a hip fracture because they had brittle bones. And we need to treat and prevent this para di ta sila mabalian. We give supplements, vitamin D and calcium, but also we will need to treat the osteoporosis with something else. And these are the anti-resorptive medications.